Welcome back to Stock Motion, the educational investment channel. Today we're going to take a quick look at the stock Torchlight Energy, ticker symbol TRCH. But as always, before we start, please remember I'm not a financial advisor and this information is purely for educational purposes only, and please do your own due diligence before investing in any stocks. Without further ado, let's get into it. Torchlight Energy Resources, Inc., through its subsidiaries, engages in the acquisition, exploration, exploitation, and/or development of oil and natural gas properties in the United States. As of December 31, 2019, it had interests in 4 oil and gas projects, including the Orogrande project in Hudspeth County, Texas, Hazel project in Sterling, Tom Green, and Irion Counties, Texas, Winkler project in Winkler County, Texas, and Hunton wells in partnership with Husky Ventures in central Oklahoma. The company was founded in 2010 and is headquartered in Plano, Texas. Torchlight Energy shares shot up 10.5% during midday trading on Tuesday. The stock traded as high as 84 cents and last traded at 78 cents. 9,870,907 shares changed hands during midday trading, an increase of 57% from the average session volume of 6,273,204 shares. The stock had previously closed at 71 cents. The company has a market cap of $112.24 million, a P ratio of -3.55 and a beta of 2.17. Director Greg McCabe purchased 1,630,434 shares of the stock in a transaction on Friday, December 18th. The stock was acquired at an average price of 46 cents per share, with a total value of $749,999.64. Following the completion of the acquisition, the director now owns 11,894,769 shares in the company, valued at $5,471,593.74. A hedge fund recently raised its stake in Torchlight Energy Resources stock. AMG National Trust Bank increased its position in shares of Torchlight Energy by 7.7% in the third quarter, according to its most recent Form 13F filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The firm owned 1,399,855 shares of the oil and gas company's stock after purchasing an additional 100,000 shares during the quarter. One Wall Street analysts have issued ratings and price targets for Torchlight Energy Resources in the last 12 months. There are currently 1 hold rating for the stock, resulting in a consensus rating of hold. Insider ownership percentage is 17.49%. Insider buying, last 12 months, was $749,999.64. Insider selling, last 12 months, was $0. Now we'll take a look at the latest news from the company. Torchlight Energy Resources, Inc. Torchlight announced today that the holders of $1,500,000 of Torchlight's subordinated debt have agreed to convert such debt into the common stock of Torchlight at a price of 43 cents per share as set out under the convertible notes issued by Torchlight to the holders. "We are very happy to continue to eliminate Torchlight's outstanding debt," stated John Bradar, Chief Executive Officer of Torchlight. "Our goal is to continue clearing any hurdles and move to the closing of Torchlight's proposed business combination with Metamaterial Inc. This is another positive step towards that goal." In 2021, electricity demand is anticipated to grow by 3%, around 700 terawatt-hours, slower than the projected 5.2% real GDP growth. In total, this means global demand would be higher than in 2019. Both countries have already recorded significant growth rates towards the end of 2020 compared to 2019 demand. I think this stock has the potential to grow over the next few years along with the renewable energy buzz. This is only my opinion and not financial advice. As always, please only invest capital you are willing to lose. Like always, if you like this, please hit the like button, leave a comment below and subscribe for more content like this. Join our Discord for buy and sell updates. You can find the link in the description as well as a link to sign up for Trading 212, who are offering a free share up to £100. Thanks for watching and take care.